Hey, what's up guys? This is Srikanth and welcome to my YouTube channel. Just before I start with today's unboxing, if you want to follow me and subscribe to me, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to remind you of my upcoming videos. So with that, today I have a very interesting product. It's the WAHL or WAHL as it's pronounced, as the case may be. It's the wired hair trimmer. So don't mistake this for a beard trimmer. It's actually a full-fledged hair trimmer, and today I want to test it out to see what the product boxing has and what the product itself is about. So to give you a bit of an history, these are the hair trimmers that you find in most Indian barber shops or hair cutting salons. Basically it's wired, it's powered, it's a little bit heavy to hold, and you can feel a lot of vibration with this when the blades go into action. Just goes to show how powerful this thing is. So as you'd expect, they do advertise the most powerful motor for a hair trimmer. It's of course made in US, unfortunately not in India. It's corded, so it's not one of those flimsy wireless hair trimmers that you come to see, but this is a proper wired one, so you don't have to worry about the power output of this device when it's on. And you have an adjustable blade, and the specialty of this hair trimmer is about having a handle to adjust the length of the blade. So on this side of the box, it just has the same information in different languages. It also shows you what all the contents of the box are basically. So this is the 40mm blade, this is the handle we spoke about, and then this shows how the wiring is done, and you have different attachments basically for adjusting the length of what you're going to clip. So coming to the other side of the box, it clearly shows what are the contents of the box in many languages. So it has a clipper, it's got a blade guard. When you're not using the clipper, you can put the blade guard and safeguard the sharp item from hurting anybody. Then it has a comb, so if you want to cut using a comb. It has oil to actually lubricate the blades, which they recommend that you use, and it has a small cleaning brush for the blades, and it has 4 plastic attachment controls of different lengths, ranging from the highest of 13mm all the way up to 3mm. There are quite a number of videos showing you how to actually cut your hair with these attachments, so that's something that you can take a look. I would not be covering that in this video. So let's do a quick unboxing to see what this package has. I just about a pricing. So the MRP is about 5,250 in India, but I got it for a price of about 4,000 on Amazon. And it's got a 100-year history, so obviously it's selling because the product is actually supposed to be good. There are a lot of fakes available in the market as per even Amazon reviews, so some people got the fakes. Please be sure to order from Cloudtail India. That's the distributor who gives the original one. So without much ado, this is the packaging. So there are some manuals here on how to use this thing, so I'm not gone through this in detail yet, of course. So this is the proof of purchase and probably a warranty, but these days it doesn't come with any dealer stamp or anything like that. So here it is. It's a very simple packaging, so as what was advertised in the on the box. So you have the comb, which we all know what it is. So this itself is the hair trimmer. So it's seriously heavy. I mean, it's like very heavy and very solid in the hand. I'll try to power this thing on so that you can see how it functions. It's got a pretty long wire, and you should be able to easily pull it to the point where you have the electricity supply in your room. So keeping that aside, the only other thing I expect to find is a bunch of adjustments like we spoke about. I have not removed these out, so these are like 3 attachments. So starting from 4 attachments, so starting from 3 to 13mm as advertised in the box, and the oil, you can find it here. It's a small bottle. Many people did comment on Amazon on the review saying that the amount of oil given was not enough, but I'm yet to understand how much of oil to use and how frequently I need to use it to understand whether this was sufficient or not. But coming to the product itself, it's just beautiful to hold in the hand. It's like very well made, and you can see that there is a plastic handle to adjust the brush widths so you can just move it easily, unlike any digital switches and things like that. And overall it's like the blades are really nice, you can see that. And when I switch it on, you can see that it's really a solid product. So without much delay, let's try to switch this on right now. So here I'm guys, I plugged this on a little bit far away from my table, but it's basically 230 volts 50 hertz 10 watts power supply that's needed to power this thing. So it's all written on the hair trimmer itself. So here I am. It's a very simple thing. You just pull this button down and it's going to just switch on. It's going to make a lot of noise and it's going to vibrate a lot in your hand, but just let's take a look at it. So it makes a huge noise and then starts off. Then it's fairly stable when it does, and you can see that this thing is like pretty powerful. So I'll show you the other side of it just to show you how this operates. So you can't really see the blades moving here, but in reality it is actually happening. And when you fit the attachments, it allows for a clean trim of your hair depending on the kind of attachments that you're actually using. So that's pretty much it. I've switched it on and shown you how it feels like. So the other more important part is to actually trim your hair to see if it did the job well. Unfortunately, I cannot do that in this part of the video, so probably I'll leave a link to someone who's already used it on YouTube, so you can check there. Or if I get a chance, I will try to record the session where I try to do that as well. So for sure, this product looks very sturdy and stable and pretty good. So here you are. I'll leave you with the quick unboxing of the WAHL hair trimmer. So I'm pretty happy and pumped up to use this product. So in case you're interested, check out on Amazon, and you should be able to procure one for about $4,000. So with this, I'll leave you here for this video. Until my next video, thanks a lot for watching.